Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about voltage. Okay, so what is voltage? Voltage is the total work done required to move a unit charge between two points in a static electric field. Okay, so for the production of electric current, the movement of electrons, are required in a particular direction. Okay, so for that we required some kind of energy. Okay, so that energy is provided by a electromotive force, or you can say a battery. Okay, so this electromotive force is also known as voltage. Okay, or you can say potential difference. Okay, so mathematically voltage V of t is represented as d by dq of w. What is W over here? So W stands for the work done. Okay, so it is the work done. And what is Q? Q is the charge. Okay, so this formula is important from numerical point of view. Okay, so the next point we have is the SI unit. Okay, so SI unit of voltage is your volts. Okay, expressed by a symbol V. Okay, so it is also measured in joules per coulomb. So this is another unit for measuring the voltage. Okay, next one we have is the types of the voltage. Okay, so what are the types? Okay, so the first one we have is the DC voltage. Okay, so what is DC voltage? So DC voltage is that voltage whose magnitude and direction remains same, okay, with time. So it does not change, they remain constant with time. Okay, so if you plot its waveform, and the y axis represents the voltage V of t and the x axis represents time. So like we can say its magnitude remains constant. Okay, here you can see the magnitude is constant. Okay, so the next one we have is the second type, which is the AC voltage. Okay, AC voltage. So as the name suggests, it is basically alternating in nature. Okay, so its magnitude and direction changes. Okay, changes continuously with time. Okay, so if you want to draw its like from waveform, you can say, like, for example, this is V of t here and this is your time. Okay, so as you can see, the voltage keeps on changing with respect to time. Okay, so it does not remain constant, its magnitude as well as direction keeps on changing. Okay, so that's all for today's lecture. I will see you in the next time. Okay.